my channel. This video is another big luxury unboxing video. So if you're interested and want to see what I picked up from Louis Vuitton and Balenciaga, keep watching. I can't wait to show you what I bought from Louis Vuitton. I did a sneak peek on my Instagram, which if you're not following, you can come and say hi on my Instagram. I upload up to everyday pictures, style my new pieces there, so if you're interested, come say hi on my Instagram. So I did a sneak peek there on my stories and I told you that I ordered something amazing from Louis Vuitton that I can't wait for you to see. The box is here, finally it arrived 2 days ago and I haven't opened it and I can't wait to see it. It is honestly amazing. So I can't wait to show you. I also wanted to show you some other new pieces from Balenciaga and some bling bling that I picked up recently. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so let me start with the bling bling. We all love diamonds, don't we? Alright, so I got approached by this jewelry company. It's called Italo and they sent me some free gifts to try and see if I can recommend to you, and I picked 2 items. So I wanted to show you them because I am very pleasantly surprised by the quality of their jewelry. It is very affordable. So first, let's talk about the box. Look at this beautiful white box with the blue ribbon. It looks very, very nicely packaged. And then we open, that's inside, and you get certificates, care cards, and how to return your items. So everything's on these cards, and clean cloth. You get a little pouch, and these are the 2 items that I picked, beautifully wrapped and packaged. So the jewelry comes in these beautiful blue boxes, and the first piece that I bought I'm actually wearing, so the box is empty. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been wearing this ring for, I would say, more than 2, maybe 2, yeah, about 2.5 weeks now, and I really love it. It is so beautiful. It is so shiny and bright, and it looks like a high-end jewelry. The quality is really good. It looks like real diamonds, but it's not. It is actually sapphires. So the ring is sterling silver and the crystals are sapphires. Especially under bright lights, the crystals are so reflective, so bright and sparkling. I love it. So the other item that I picked, I chose these items myself. So I've been wanting one of these tennis bracelets for such a long time. Well, I can't afford a real diamond bracelet. I would love to get a real diamond one, but for now I think I'll be wearing this. This is so beautiful, and again the crystals, the sapphires are so reflective and beautiful, very clear, and again it is silver piece. It looks stunning on. I'll try it on. Actually, I'm gonna wear it now. All right, it is on. Look at this. How stunning is this bracelet? I love it. I would love to stack it with some of my other jewelry pieces. I can stack it with some of my Hermes bracelets, or like really any other bracelet or a watch. It will look so beautiful stacked with a watch. So yeah, this is my candy from Italo. So definitely have a look at their website and check out the pieces. I have a discount code which I'll leave down in the description box. You can also see it here on the screen. But yeah, I was very pleasantly surprised by the quality of their pieces, and they also have videos on their website, which is very helpful when choosing jewelry pieces. Sometimes it could be difficult to pick jewelry online, but this is very helpful. I actually chose my ring after watching a video, like a video clip of how it looks on, and I loved how it looked on the video that they had on their website. So that was very helpful. So yeah, definitely check them out. Alright, let's move on with the next items. I think I'm gonna unbox this because this will be quick, and some of you have probably already seen this, so yeah, you might know if you've watched one of my recent vlogs. I'm pretty sure I wore this in one of my vlogs. Also, if you've watched my wishlist video, I spoke about this in my wishlist video, so here it is. I picked it up finally. It was a bit spontaneous, I would say, purchase, like a bit rushed. I mean, I've wanted this item for a long time, but I was in a rush one day. I walked into Harrods and I was like, okay, I'm buying it. I was in a hurry and I just bought it. So yeah, it's finally here. I have it and I will show you, but first I want to mention something about these. Does this remind you guys of the handbag that Balenciaga sells? It is exactly the same. So they sell this exact paper bag in a leather version as a handbag. It looks exactly the same. I'm not joking, it looks exactly the same, but this is paper and they sell the exact same one in a leather version for like over £1,000. Yeah. Alright, so here's the item. Comes in a dust bag and da-da-da-da. Yep, you guessed. It is the Balenciaga hat. Very overpriced, very overpriced for a simple cap, but I've been wanting this for such a long time. These were so like popular and trendy. I think last year I didn't pick it up. I always do that. I've noticed that I've always do that. When an item is really hot and popular, I normally don't pick it up straight away. I wait, and after the hype is over, if I still like it, I'll go and buy it. Am I the only one? So yeah, I finally bought the famous Balenciaga cap. Now they have so many other versions of this one with the writing here, with just the logo, different colors, even like I think one of the newest designs is with rainbow Balenciaga writing on it, which is really cute. But I wanted the classic one, so yeah, that's the hat. Very simple. I've already worn it. There might be, yeah, there is some makeup here, but yeah, plain hat. Well, it is very well made, but it's definitely not worth 300 or 350 pounds. I can't remember how much I paid. Very overpriced, but I love it. I have actually worn it quite a lot. I bought it, I would say, more than a month ago, and I've been wearing it quite a lot. And this one, it says on the tag, it is from spring summer 2017. So yeah, I think that's when they came out. It is made in Italy and it is made of 100% cotton. Yeah, that's what I thought. It is one size. They don't have different sizes. It is adjustable at the back, so yeah, you can adjust the size. It's very comfy. I like it for casual days when I don't have much makeup on, or even when I go to the gym, I wear this and I really like it. So yeah, I enjoy wearing it, and I'm glad that I picked up the classic one. I actually really like the nude one. I'm not sure if it's still available. It might have been from a previous season, but they had it in nude and it was beautiful. So yeah, I will link down below a few different versions and colors. If you're interested, check it out. Alright, here we are, finally unboxing the big Louis Vuitton purchase. I cannot wait, guys. It is honestly amazing. I really hope it fits. It is a ready-to-wear item. None of you guessed on my Instagram what I bought, and I don't think any of you can guess because I've never mentioned that I'm interested in this item. It was sold out for the longest time on the website. I've been eyeing it and then it came back in stock. I think it might be sold out again because I think I bought the last one in this size, and I think they only had another one in a size bigger left. All the other sizes were sold out, so it might be sold out, but keep checking the website. Sometimes they restock them. Okay, let me quickly do the thumbnail actually for my video and then I'll continue. Let me do the thumbnail. Alright, I always forget about the thumbnail and then I struggle finding a thumbnail for my video, so I had to stop and do the thumbnail quickly. But let's continue with the unboxing. Alright. Oh my god, I can't wait to see this. I have a feeling it will be amazing. Alright, so this was an online order, as I mentioned. It's a ready-to-wear. Ooh, someone already fell out of the box. It is a ready-to-wear piece. Louis Vuitton, we thank you for choosing a Louis Vuitton product. Blah blah. We don't care about these. Beautifully wrapped, and oh my god, it is so white and beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, this is amazingness. Can you guys see? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's even better when you see it in real life. I've never seen this in stores, I've only seen it online. Oh my god, it is so beautiful, so precious. I'm actually scared to touch this. Are my hands clean? I'm so scared to touch this. How stunning is this? Let me leave the box somewhere. It is so beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is one of the most beautiful ready-to-wear pieces. It is so classic. I picked this because it is so classic. This will never go out of style. It is such a classic piece. White shirts never go out of style. It is with the classic monogram Louis Vuitton, but it's very subtle. It's not in your face. I love the little ruffles on the collar neck and the ruffly sleeves. Oh my god, I love it. I hope it fits. I got it in a size 38, and normally I know that French sizes run very small. So I was thinking about getting it in a 40, but it looked quite boxy and oversized. And looking at this now, I think it will fit because it is quite boxy. So yeah, it looks like my size. Normally if it was fitted, I was gonna go a size up, but I would say true to size. Yeah, it looks true to size. It is so beautiful. The gold detailing is stunning. Oh my god, what do you guys think? Do you like it? It is beautiful. I don't want to talk about the price. I can't believe how much I paid. This will be the last time I want to hear the price of this item. I'm going to tell you how much I paid. But honestly, no more questions. I don't want to know the price anymore. I'll just forget about it and not think about the price anymore because I feel sick. It was £840. I know, I don't want to repeat that. I'll zip my mouth, and I don't want any questions about the price. I don't want to talk about the price anymore. I don't want to think about the price. It is a lot, but it is so beautiful. Oh my god. I wish it came with a hanger. They didn't include a hanger. Yeah, that's quite annoying. I thought, because normally when I order ready-to-wear pieces online, they always come with a hanger. This one didn't, which is a bit disappointing. This is my first Louis Vuitton ready-to-wear piece. I'm not sure if they normally come with hangers. Let me know, guys, if you have bought anything or ordered. If they normally send hangers, I will request one, but let me know. Or maybe I'll just ask customer services. Yeah, I might call them and ask, because I would love to have a hanger with this. So I'm gonna have a look at the tags quickly. It is 100% cotton and it is gentle dry clean only, so yeah, very careful. I'll just bring it to the dry cleaners. I'm not gonna hand wash it. I have to be very careful with makeup I was so scared to order this because I wear fake tan, as you know, and I stain all my white clothes, but I love a white shirt and I thought this was so classic. And yeah, I wanted to buy it. I know, even if they had it in black, I was still gonna choose the white, although it is dangerous. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite purchase. Do you like my new Louis Vuitton? My first ready-to-wear Louis Vuitton piece. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more fashion related videos and unboxings, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really means a lot. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Everything is linked down below. Okay, bye!